So guys, STZ is a beer company. You need to know what stock you are trading, what company you are trading. Full station brands, mixed beer, had earnings, revenue miss, EPS miss. So nobody's drinking beers, I guess. And daily chart pretty bearish. You always analyze the daily chart. Daily chart, look at the range today. You look at the range there. Look at the ATR. You're trading 400% of its average to range. So first of all, I gave the pre-market planning bearish bias to short the pops. Clearly defined the bias. 209 support, 213 resistance, 216 another level of the resistance. Basically, if it pushes over 213 or 216, we look to long it. Under that, we are not really interested to long it. Right when the market opens, I say short from the game plan, 200 break. You could trade anything, shares, options. I like the closer option. Talked about 200p on the voice. It's up to you. We are not alert service. I don't hand you the strikes or buy here, buy that. It's about the learning and guidance and building your own confidence, holding the winners. So I did not tell anybody to get out, and I told them hold. It's 200 breaks. It's going to fade more. I did tell everybody to watch your positions if you have a bad entry. I don't want anybody to have bad entry. And then we're going to more lows. The 200 lot was going 4%. I said keep some runners, do not cut it. My next target was 192s and 190. This is 1140, guys. I'm saying no reason to cut. And that time we have 1000% on the puts. And look what happened after that. I said we can see much more. I told people to roll further into 180 or 182s and just hold it. Even those went further. If you made 5-6 grand, take $500, throw into next lotto. That 500 becomes $1,000. So keep maximizing it. You can make from $1,000, you can make $10,000 when you have a strategy, when you follow and hold your trades. This was trading at $1. Even if you got at $2, if $1 turned into 18, 100 turned into 1800, 1000 turned into 18,000. You don't need the full. Even if you got half of it or 1/3 of it, that's good. Risking $1,000 and making 4 or 5 grand, that's more than enough. You need to hold, just like my Ripster Cloud EMA system says. You do not cut. This one trade makes up for the whole week. That's how traders in my community are getting these mega winners, because they hold. We believe in repeatable system, repeatable setups, so that you have the confidence to hold your trade. Some other earning plays today. Delta Airlines was one of our top earning plays this morning. Cautious of the 512 break, 65.40 is resistance, 64 is support. So when it pulled back here, 512 break, but it reclaimed 512 break, that's where it becomes a long. So that's where Delta Airline becomes a long. And if you look at the daily chart, it's an all-time high. It becomes an A+ setup because it's an all-time high. I gave that a 512 long and I gave a target of 69. We hit 69 exactly. Pulled back to 512. That was the second entry I mentioned, 512 curl right here. Then it pushed to 69 again, then went to chop and to get out. So anywhere here is a good entry. 65, 66, even if 67, that was good. Your stops are under this area. So that was a nice little couple of dollars profitable trade in the morning. Similar earning play winner today was Walgreens. So Walgreens was also strong. Actually, Walgreens was winner for us all day. I mentioned gave the Walgreens long in the morning. Very good start of earnings season. All these three plays from the earnings were really nice. Walgreens 1040, 10 support, 11 was resistance, bullish bias to long. As soon as the market opened, I told everybody Walgreens long, especially since it was breaking over pre-market highs. The target I gave was 1180. I gave the target at 950, and we hit that 1180 target by 1030. We pulled back. That's fine. You get out here if you want to, and then you get back in on the 512 curls. 512 curls reclaim, and then after that it pushed to my 12 target as well. So both my targets that I gave met. Beautiful trade.
Learn how to trade earnings season at tennettradegroup.com.